Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the how to add a country picker in the input of a phone code or a phone number. So how we are going to use it when we are entering the phone number, how we are going to give you this country code into the React Native. So let's start the tutorial. So let's go to the folder HTML React Native projects open. Okay, let's create the project. And here we are going to use how to add country code with picker with input in React Native. So we are country code we are going to country code picker we are going to use. So here let's add npx country code. Okay, so I'm building. Let's install the npm. This is this is npm React Native phone number input, and it has 10,000 plus downloads, so we can use it. So it's installing the dependencies. Go to cd entry code. Okay, let's install. Is there any linking? No. And this is the basic of that code that you have to check, right? So let's implement it. Let's go to the npm install. Let's go to Android Studio. Let's make a build. Let's paste this code for the app.js. Entry code app.js. Okay. So let's check. Gradle configuring projects. This is done. Let's make a build. Let's run the. So let's add this cache. Is this build installed? I guess the build is installed. And let me add the settings. Okay, let's connect to the AnyDesk. Okay, let's connect. Now you can see that if I put 8699635552 get phone number, so this is the phone number. If you want like only +91 another tab and this country code, so all of this can be manageable. So let's take a documentation how are they going to check. So first of all, they have the text formatted value. Okay, so here have check input valid. Let's check the which kind of things they have going to provide us. Get country code. So there is a method that get the country code. Okay, so where is get country code? These are the methods. So let's add the get country code or country. Let's check. Okay. So here we go. Where is country code? Right. So here we have the on press get phone number. There is a get phone number, alert phone number. Okay, so we can use the other methods of it. So we have let's add the get country code. These are the methods. Get country code, string. So here we have default code is India. Default phone number is this. On press get country code. Let's take an example here. Don't. Let's go to the example. Example. So here we have app.js tx6. So there is set country code phone input on change text formatted. So we are going to use this one on change formatted text on change set phone number txt. So we can modify this one, set formatted value to text, set country code phone input dot, otherwise this one phone input dot current dot get country code. So let's like here you can see that set phone number the text, let's set phone number. So there is, I guess there is a set phone number. This here we can define one more state. Let's add one more state. Here any store state is get country code. So we can use the get country code one also. So here I'm going to get the country code. So let's add this country code and set country code. After this, you can see country code. Let's going to set the country code like this. Okay, copy this and paste this. Okay, so and if you want to get country code you can get this country code. So we are going to get the country code like this. Like this we can going to add it. country code, this one, right? Let's run this. So here we are. So you can see that country code is by default is India. I'm going to change it to some another country. You see the country code is AS, so definitely you will get this country code by anything. So by setting get the states and phone number we are already getting in by this one. It's just only you want the only the phone number, without this you can also get it. Okay, so this is formatted value. Okay, so let's get the set formatted value only text. So here we have set formatted value, we need to check. Okay, so let's add the new one more formatted value. Here we are going to add the formatted value. Let's set the state. Okay, and we can console this, print this like this. Okay, let's see. So both are empty. So this formatted value is plus 9861. Okay, get this. Okay, next we are, they are getting into the value, so the data should be in the value. So let's put the value part. Here it is value. So let's check value and set value. So where it is, it's not there, so let's add the value. So we need to get the phone number only, so let's add the phone number here. Okay, and set this value on change text. On change text is there, on change formatted text is there, on change text is not there. So let's add this attribute. So let's add this on change text and get the value, formatted value, then we are going to get the value. Let's print it. Okay, so let's reload this one and check. Empty. 8699685552. So you can see that we can add, you can get the formatted value with code, without code, with only code you will get the value. So this is how we are going to get the country code also, value also, with country code also. So whatever you want to save, whatever you want to send to the backend, you can do it with that way. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share and comment. Any feedback, anything else, you can just write me in the comment section. Thank you so much. Have a great day.